guys, today is September 28th. Today is a Street Law event. The Street Outlaws, the TV show, they're in Tucson, Arizona. It's going on right now. I'm going to miss some of today, but I signed this up for the daily class, so I'm trying to get this car ready. I fixed the screamer pipe. I had to run around the entire town today. I felt like to find somewhere that wasn't too busy and it was able to take me today. But I also got to do front brake pads. They're from Baer. I'm running 99 to 2004 Mustang Cobra caliper. Here goes rear caliper from O'Reilly's. If you guys saw my last video, I cracked one of the rear rotors, probably from brake boosting. So I got replacement. Remember, I'm 5 lug also, so I had to do, I think it was the 1G all-wheel drive turbo rear discs, and then new rear brake pads. So that's some of the stuff. I also need to, if I have time, replace the coolant temp sensor. I need to replace that too, because mine got melted and all deformed from when I had the screamer pipe broke. The wastegate was just destroyed the sensor. That's about it. I'm having still a little bit of transmission issues, so that might have to come back off. My friend that put the car together said we might need to shim the shift fork. And I think that's it. My oil leak also still has to get fixed, but for this event, it's brakes, the rear caliper, rear rotors, rear pads, front brake pads, hopefully the coolant temp sensor. Screamer pipe's already fixed, so I'm going to go ahead and start now. Oh, and for that daily class, I need this full exhaust, but I might get disqualified because I don't have AC. But I don't even know if I mentioned that for the Street Outlaw event. I signed this up for the daily Duel. I think it's supposed to also be 2-wheel drive, but I don't know. I signed it up anyways, so I'm trying to get all this fixed up so I could take it tomorrow. And I'll probably record a bunch of footage and make a big video of this weekend. Might take a little while, because you guys know me, it took a while to upload. But I'm going to go ahead and start working on this and get it ready for the Street Outlaw event. There's going to be thousands of people, and I'm super excited to hopefully run it in front of everybody. Alright. Okay, here goes the old pads on one side. I already did the other side. those guys go right there. The other side went into the piston on the inside. And it's pretty simple to pull this apart. Just pull this E-clip out, get the washer out, pull the pin out, and then it all just comes off. But on the other side, I broke that. So hopefully I can get that fixed before tomorrow's Street Outlaw event. So, and today I probably don't have time to go run for it, so tomorrow morning I gotta get up early. There it is, front brake pads. Both of them are replaced. I just gotta get an E-clip for that side. Yeah, these are pretty low. For sure. Now time to put the wheels back on and then do the back side. The rear, or maybe the coolant temp sensor, I don't know yet. One thing I forgot to mention, I used just brute force to push the piston back. I couldn't use my my tool that I use when I do brake jobs, so it wasn't that bad, but you have to push it in with your palm or however you want to do it, but you got to push it in yourself. And luckily these ones weren't too bad, but got the wheel on now. Okay, let me show you guys how I did it. I first removed the 14mm on the caliper bracket. There's one here, one at the bottom. Make sure your e-brake is not on. You gotta remove the e-brake. Well, don't have the e-brake up. And then I had to loosen up this guy, 12mm. And then I was able to squeeze this up and get the other 14. And looks like this one was about to crack too. Never again am I using drilled rotors, even though this came with the car. Nope, not again. The old rotor, the new one, that guy just slides out. So, goes in and pull it right out. Now, I'm going to go ahead and push back this piston. I'm almost positive I recently changed these. I just can't remember. But if that's the case, they don't have more than 2,000 miles? Probably less than that. Alright, it's all back together. I had to remove the e-brake right here. There's also a little clip back here. Had to remove all that. And that's really about it. It's all back together though. I'm probably gonna have to call it a night and finish this up tomorrow morning. Go get ready, go watch some races tonight, and hopefully finish this up early in the morning. Let's hope so, at least. But There it is. Alright, I'm going to try to swap out this caliper real quick. And rotor. So, let's see if I can get it done in time. I was doing the brakes, was replacing the caliper and the brake pads. I did not make it to the event. I ran into issues with the e-brake. So I thought I didn't bleed the brakes enough. So I came back, tried to re-bleed them. I was up till 3 in the morning, and I did not get the Galant done. Also, in that daily class, the cars are supposed to have AC. I don't have AC, so I may have been disqualified right off the bat. But we'll see what happens. I took it to a friend. The goal is to come back with some mods done to it, besides fixing all the little issues. I had an oil leak, coolant temp sensor issue from when the screamer pipe broke, and I'm trying to think what else. Oil leak, coolant temp sensor, the brakes, and that's all I can think of. But so it's at my friend's. He's working on fixing those issues. Haven't done a video on this motor yet. Some of you guys might know what it is, but if not, I'll save that for when we get to that point. Also, my buddy Tank here. It's been a while since he's been in the videos. Temperature's finally cooling down, so I could have him come outside with me and chill in the garage while I work on stuff. But yeah, guys, next video will be videos from the Street Outlaw event. So that'll be coming up next. But as far as me racing in that class, that farm truck and Asian hand, it didn't happen. But it's okay. One of those Trackhawk SUVs crushed everybody. I have videos of it, so it'll be in the videos. I took a bunch of clips from that day, and I'll just put it all in one video. But don't forget to like, subscribe, guys. More videos to come. Galant didn't make it, unfortunately, but it's alright. There's plenty more events coming up, so I'll be back out at track soon, and there's some sweet upgrades coming up. So as soon as it's back in my hands, I'll go over everything and the new mods on it. So I'm excited. You might even see unboxing videos of the new mods. It's 1 or 2 things I'm doing to it, but we'll see. I'll probably do unboxing videos, and then I'll end up getting the car back. But alright, guys, like, subscribe, share, help me out. Thanks, guys. More videos to come.